Remove all items. Start by emptying your fridge completely, including shelves and drawers, to make cleaning easier and more thorough. Clean with warm, soapy water. Use a soft sponge or cloth to wipe down the inside of the fridge with warm water and mild soap to remove spills and stains. Wipe down the shelves and drawers. Don't forget to take out removable parts like shelves and drawers for a deep clean. Let them dry before placing them back. Deodorize with baking soda. To neutralize odors, place an open box of baking soda inside the fridge. A clean fridge keeps your food fresh and your kitchen healthier. Regularly cleaning it every few months will make a big difference.